Let's draw this model. So we are going to create this four circle. So on the front plane, click circle, click. So we're going to draw a line. Go circle, click the center, click. Select dimension 60. This one is 30. 20. Click. So remember, I'm using click method. Click outside. 42. Okay, that convert this one into construction geometry. So now I want to draw the keyway. So to draw the keyway, I draw a center rectangle. Draw a center line. So remember, this line is vertical. So I need to dimension this one, take mm. And dimension this one to this one. So just take this dimension in the meantime. So this dimension is dimension in the maximum arc star. So to do that, you click this dimension. Okay, you click this dimension. So the property manager is out. You go to the leader tab, and here you got the arc condition, center, minimum, maximum. So I select maximum. Okay. And then I must change this one to 33. Double click 33. Okay, now I'm going to convert this one to construction geometry. So I just draw a line over it. Draw a line over it. So let me trim. And this line has to be construction as well. The reason I didn't remove all this construction line is to make sure that all my outline here is black. So here you put under define, but doesn't matter. Maybe I try this center line and make it up here. Okay. It's still under define, but doesn't matter because you cannot drag the sketch. Okay, let's extrude mid-plane 20. Oh, here there's one dimension here. I forgot to give 105. Anyway, all the outline here is dark. So go to feature, extrude, select mid plane, and make it 20. So you're going to scratch on the front plane. So go to front, sketch, number 2. So now I'm going to use a 3-point arc. So I click here, okay, click anywhere. Okay, let me convert the entity first. This circle, this edge here, and the edge. Convert entity, that means. Okay. So I must make this arc tangent to the circle. A relation, select this arc, say tangent. So now the tangent is tangent. So now I same thing, select this circle, this arc, make it tangent. And let me dimension this arc as 115. Okay, so we are going to repeat the step below. So I go to 3-point arc, click here, then bring it. Okay, same thing, you need to give relation. This arc, this circle, and the arc here. Circle, the arc here, make it tangent. A relation again. Picture here it's blank. Then we select this edge here and the arc, make it tangent. Okay, let's dimension this one. $60. So now we can trim. Select the trim command. Click, drag. Click, drag. So now this is the profile that we are going to extrude mid-plane 10. The feature, extrude. Let me plane and make it 10. Now we are almost complete. So now there's a slot here. So let's make a sketch on this surface. Sketch number 2. So here I want to convert entity. Convert this edge. So you will need to draw the circle. By converting the edge, you can draw the circle. So now I want to offset 8 mm. So I go offset, make it 8. I click here, it is correct. Offset again. So now it's in the wrong direction, so I reverse it. Now I trim away the unwanted line. So I go to trim, click, drag, click, drag. Right. So this is now we have the close profile, right? So we can go feature extrude cut, make it through all. So now we have to do a fillet of 8 mm. To do this fillet, you notice that I took out this toolbar. So to take out this toolbar, what you need to do, you can come over here, right click and go to toolbar. You can see that this toolbar, the name is selection filter, and it's important to have it display outside. So we click and then you just position it anywhere you like. So now I'm going to filter only the edge so that I cannot select the face. So now I only select the edge here, rotate a bit, select the edge, select the edge, select the edge. So now then I can go to the command. Oh, only one edge selected. Okay, so make it 8 mm. Okay, never mind, then we select again. Normally I execute the command before I do the selection. So you select the edge. So now we have the fillet ready. So our model is completed, and when you are still working on this model, you don't forget to clear all the filter. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.